Welcome to another TOEFL listening practice video. In this video, you will listen to a lecture, answer some questions about it, review the correct answers and explanations. Don't forget to subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice.
The future of electric vehicles, EVs, holds the promise of revolutionizing the transportation industry, offering a cleaner, more sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. As concerns about climate change intensify and the need to reduce carbon emissions becomes more urgent, the transition to sustainable transportation is gaining momentum. Advances in EV technology, government policies, and growing consumer demand are paving the way for a future where electric cars could become the dominant mode of transportation, reducing environmental impact and transforming the automotive industry as a whole. One of the most significant advancements in electric vehicle technology is the improvement in battery efficiency and energy storage. Historically, the limited range and high cost of batteries were significant barriers to widespread EV adoption. However, recent breakthroughs in battery technology, such as solid-state batteries and advancements in lithium-ion chemistry, are improving energy density and reducing the cost of production. These innovations are making electric vehicles more affordable, with longer ranges and faster charging times. For instance, the range of many new EV models now exceeds 300 miles on a single charge, making them more competitive with traditional vehicles in terms of long-distance driving. Furthermore, the development of ultra-fast charging stations, which can recharge an EV battery in as little as 20 to 30 minutes, is addressing concerns about the convenience and accessibility of EV charging infrastructure. In addition to improvements in battery technology, there are advancements in the electric drivetrains themselves. Unlike internal combustion engines, electric drivetrains are simpler, with fewer moving parts, which can reduce maintenance costs and improve the longevity of vehicles. Moreover, electric motors provide instantaneous torque, resulting in smoother acceleration and a quieter, more comfortable driving experience. As automakers continue to refine electric powertrains, EVs are becoming more efficient, reliable, and appealing to consumers. The transition to electric vehicles has the potential to significantly reduce carbon footprints and combat climate change. The transportation sector is one of the largest contributors to global carbon emissions, accounting for approximately 14% of total emissions worldwide. By replacing gasoline-powered vehicles with electric vehicles, emissions from tailpipes, one of the major sources of air pollution, can be eliminated. Moreover, the environmental benefits of EVs are compounded when the electricity used to charge them comes from renewable sources such as wind, solar, or hydroelectric power. In countries and regions with clean energy grids, EVs can be nearly carbon neutral, further enhancing their role in reducing the overall environmental impact of transportation. Beyond carbon reduction, EVs also offer substantial benefits in terms of air quality, particularly in urban areas. The widespread adoption of electric vehicles can reduce harmful pollutants such as nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, which are emitted by traditional gasoline and diesel vehicles. These pollutants contribute to smog, respiratory illnesses, and other health problems. By switching to EVs, cities can improve air quality, leading to better public health outcomes and a higher quality of life for residents. Governments and policymakers around the world are playing a crucial role in driving the transition to electric vehicles. Many countries have set ambitious targets for EV adoption, with some aiming for all new car sales to be electric by 2035 or 2040. To incentivize this transition, governments are offering tax credits, rebates, and subsidies for consumers purchasing EVs, as well as investing in the development of charging infrastructure. Additionally, stricter emissions regulations for traditional vehicles are pushing automakers to accelerate the development of electric models. For example, the European Union has introduced regulations that mandate automakers to reduce the average CO2 emissions of their fleets, incentivizing the production of electric and hybrid vehicles. The shift toward electric vehicles is also driving innovation and competition in the automotive industry. Traditional automakers, including General Motors, Ford, and Volkswagen, are investing heavily in electric vehicle production, while new entrants like Tesla have already established themselves as major players in the EV market. This competition is leading to a broader range of EV models, including affordable options, luxury vehicles, and electric trucks, making EVs accessible to a wider variety of consumers. Furthermore, the development of autonomous driving technology is likely to intersect with electric vehicles in the future, leading to the creation of smart, connected transportation systems that could improve efficiency and reduce the need for private car ownership. However, the transition to electric vehicles does come with its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is the development of a robust and widespread charging infrastructure. While the number of public charging stations is growing, there are still many regions where charging options are limited, particularly in rural areas or along long-distance travel routes. Governments and private companies must continue to invest in expanding charging networks to ensure that EVs can be conveniently charged anywhere, at any time. Additionally, the electricity grid must be upgraded to handle the increased demand for charging, especially as EV adoption accelerates. In regions where the grid relies heavily on fossil fuels, the environmental benefits of electric vehicles may be diminished, underscoring the need for a broader shift to renewable energy sources. Another challenge lies in the production and disposal of electric vehicle batteries. While EVs themselves have a smaller environmental footprint over their lifetime compared to traditional vehicles, the mining of raw materials for batteries, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, can have negative environmental and social impacts. The industry will need to find more sustainable ways to source these materials, as well as develop recycling methods to manage the increasing number of EV batteries that will reach the end of their life. Efforts are underway to create closed-loop recycling systems that recover valuable materials from used batteries, which could help mitigate these concerns.
One. What is the primary focus of the lecture? Two. Which technological improvements have contributed most to making EVs more attractive to buyers? Three. Why does the professor emphasize that some EVs can now drive over 300 miles on one charge? Four. Based on the lecture, what can we infer about future government policies? Five. What is the professor's overall opinion about electric drivetrains? Six. According to the lecture, what is essential for EVs to have the maximum environmental benefit?